Beckett? Beckett? Look at you! Standing up all by yourself, you little 6-month-old. Beckett! Beckett! Oh, there it goes, there it goes. Oh, he got it back. Nope, he lost it. Let's see if he'll try it again. Oh my gosh, Josh. Oh. This is scary.
I see it. It's over there.
What's over there?
The thing that he was chewing on.
Oh, great. Oh, excellent. Yes, throw that in the picture. Whoops. Face plant. Caleb's in the way. Hello, Caleb. Hi, little brother.
Where is it?
Hi.
Can I see?
Yeah, come here. No. Get your hands away. There you go. Because if you put your hands in front, you can't see anything. I think he's done.